and this is your purpose clause followed by a conjunction so that he can play for the dance. Again, this is going to be future with regards to this one, the purpose clause, and this is the result clause. इसको अगर हम बोलने में यूं भी बोल सकते हैं कि Damien is practicing the guitar so he can play for the dance. It makes sense so long as it's spoken English, but in the writing you have to mention the word that this is going to be the right conjunction. Next example is I am learning German so that I will be able to speak it when I go to Austria next summer. So that is a conjunction. I am learning German is the purpose clause, and the rest of the sentence is the after. So that is a clause, is a result clause. The next example is Susan drove to Miami instead of flying, and this is a purpose clause. Now this led to so that followed by she could save money, and this is the result clause. When she drive instead of flying, then the result will be that she will save some money. Next example is will you let me know about the party. This is your first clause, which is a purpose clause followed by conjunction so that, and then it followed by I can make plans to attend. So with regards to the first clause, the purpose clause, it followed by the